Roy and a Budgie by Roderick Hunt. Roy had a budgie. He called it Joey. Joey flew outside. "Oh no," said Roy. Roy couldn't get Joey. Joey flew away. Roy went to the wood. He looked for Joey. Roy couldn't see Joey. An ostrich was in the wood. Roy looked at the ostrich. The ostrich looked at Roy. They saw the zookeeper. The zookeeper had a budgie. "It's my ostrich," said the zookeeper. "It's my budgie," said Roy. "Thanks," they said. "You're welcome." If you found the content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Academy's YouTube channel and Facebook page for more educational updates.